Today marks the 92nd birth anniversary of the brave Jewish teenage girl Annie Frank, whose diary survives till today as a historical and literary treasure. On this very day in 1942, which marked her 13th birthday, she chose a diary which also had a lock on it as her birthday present. Did you see these kind of diaries in the store? Yes, just like that. In it, she penned down her experiences and most intimate feelings during a time of global turmoil. It is famously called the Diary of a Young Girl or the Diary of Annie Frank. Let's help you to understand why Annie Frank continues to be as significant even to this day with the help of 4 crucial aspects about her life and writing. Diary as her friend. Annie Frank made her entries in the diary mostly in the form of letters addressing them to her imaginary friends. Amongst them, the letter corresponding to her dearest Kitty recurs the most, within whom she shared several secrets from her daily life when she had no one else to talk to. The feeling of being isolated from the world and friends resembles our present reality as we are restricted within the 4 walls of our homes during this lockdown. The same probably had made her pick up a pen and confide in that diary. The details she captured through her writings later went on to become part of collective memory to look at once the trying times were over. The adolescent experience. Anne just turned 13 when she began writing her diary first, and like all the other teenagers, she too was evolving physically and mentally. The pages resonate of an adolescent's conflicting thoughts and emotions as she began discovering more and more about the world and often could talk about them with no one else. Thus, she chose the pages of her diary to write about her deepest thoughts, innermost feelings, and her dream of a better future. Did you think of this idea? Maybe you can also start writing about your feelings and your dreams in a diary when you have no one to share them with. Later on, you can look back at them by reading them, and you will always have a friend with you. The dream of becoming a writer. What is most interesting about Anne is that she did not merely keep a diary to herself but had great aspirations to look forward to. Anne wanted to grow up and become a writer and publish her own novel, which she had already named as The Secret Annex. The rich diary entries reveal her literary abilities and potential as a writer. Even though the war put an end to her life, but not her spirit, her father had published her diary, fulfilling her dream once the war was over. Today, more than 30 million copies of her diary have been sold globally and translated into 70 languages to read her extraordinary story. I am sure that many of you also dream of becoming an author. Well, this could be a good start for you if you start confiding your emotions and ideas in a diary. What do you think? A historical document. Anne creates a timeline and reflection of the wartime Germany through her account of personal experiences. It shows how society was in that period. Surprisingly enough, we too are stranded in the middle of a pandemic now and posed by serious challenges, not really sure how our diary entries may go on to become crucial to create a timeline and historical memory of our times, like Anne taught us to do. Just imagine when you grow old, your grandchildren will read about the pandemic in their history books. Your diary entries could become history at that point of time. Anne's diary is a reminder for all of us to be compassionate and not let power, hate, and racism win over humanity. After all, she insists people are good at heart. Time for some recap. A diary, which is a personal account of things, may as well turn out to be indispensable for the world, no matter what your age is. Number 2. Anne remains immortalized as she makes us realize how diaries can also be your confidant as well as the audience when you have no one else listening to you. Number 3. Lest we forget how her entries did not only become a great piece of literature but an influential historical document. Above everything, Anne reminded us that the most powerful forces in the world are love and kindness and not hatred. We hope that you all loved the video. Whenever you can, do get a copy of The Diary of a Young Girl or The Diary of Anne Frank and give it a read. I am sure you will enjoy it. And do not forget to start your secret diary too, entering all your personal experiences and all that is going on around the world. Who knows, maybe your diary will become a secret historical book too. Before going, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more interesting content. Till then, happy reading.